Salts. Acids react with bases, they can neutralize one another's specific properties. Example acidic and basic properties. Substances that are produced as a result of neutralization between acids and bases are called salts. The reaction in which acids react with bases resulting in the formation of salts and water are called neutralization reaction. Hydrochloric acid plus sodium hydroxide equal to sodium chloride plus water plus heat. Following are some neutralization reactions that we observe in our everyday life. In the treatment of ant sting, some people are highly allergic to ant sting as it releases formic acid. It is neutralized by rubbing moist baking soda or calamine solution which contains zinc carbonate on the affected area. In the treatment of indigestion, hydrochloric acid secreted in the stomach helps in the digestion of food. However, its excess secretion could lead to acidity and indigestion. Milk of magnesia is used to neutralize the acid. In the treatment of soil, when the soil is too acidic, it is treated with slaked lime or quicklime, which is a base. If the soil is too basic, it is treated with organic matter such as fertilizers that are obtained from vegetables or fruits as they are acidic in nature. In the treatment of sewage waste, the waste of many factories contains acids. If they are allowed to flow into water bodies, these wastes will affect aquatic organisms. Slaked lime is often used to neutralize this acidic waste let out from the factories. It works to remove only the acidic content of the industrial waste and not any other chemicals that may be present. In the treatment of acid burns, during acid burns, the affected part of the body should be cleaned with cold water and a dilute solution of baking soda should be applied. It acts as a neutralization agent to make it harmless. The solution used should be dilute, otherwise it can harm the affected region.